Looking for the perfect first car that won't break the bank? You're in exactly the right place. Welcome to AutoV where we help smart buyers like you navigate the world of car ownership. Whether you're a teenager getting your first set of wheels, or a parent helping your new driver find something safe and reliable, today we're covering the absolute best options that combine affordability, dependability, and low maintenance costs. After researching hundreds of models and analyzing real-world ownership experiences, we've narrowed it down to the top 10 vehicles that deliver exceptional value. What makes our list special is that most of these can be found for under $10,000 on the used market, and if you can stretch your budget to around $15,000, you'll be able to get an exceptionally nice example with plenty of life left in it. Before we jump into our countdown, let me explain our selection criteria. Every car on this list had to meet 3 key requirements. First, proven reliability. These are vehicles with track records of going 200,000 plus miles with proper maintenance. Second, affordable operating costs. We're talking about reasonable insurance rates, good fuel economy, and inexpensive repairs. And third, strong safety ratings. Because when it comes to new drivers, protection matters most. Now let's get started with our number 10 pick. The often overlooked but incredibly capable Subaru Impreza. While most car buyers immediately think of Subaru's popular Crosstrek when shopping the brand, the Impreza offers all the same great engineering in a more affordable package. The generation produced between 2017 and 2023 represents particularly good value, with excellent build quality and surprisingly low maintenance requirements. What makes the Impreza special is its standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system, something you won't find on most cars in this price range. This gives it tremendous capability in snow, rain, or rough terrain, making it ideal for drivers in northern climates or mountainous regions. Under the hood, you'll find a simple but durable 2-litre, 4-cylinder boxer engine that's known for its longevity. Buyers can choose between a continuously variable transmission, CVT, or a traditional manual gearbox depending on their preference. Safety was a major focus for Subaru during these model years, with the Impreza earning top marks in crash testing from both the SUOS and NHTSA. Standard safety features include advanced airbag systems, stability control, and Subaru's excellent eyesight driver assistance technology on most models. The car comes in both sedan and hatchback configurations, with a hatchback offering impressive cargo space for its class. While not the most exciting car to drive, the Impreza delivers exactly what new drivers need: safe, reliable transportation that can handle whatever weather throws at it. Moving up to our number 9 spot, we have the Mazda CX-3, which represents the most affordable way to get into a quality crossover SUV. Produced from 2016 through 2020, the CX-3 packs Mazda's renowned reliability into a compact, fuel-efficient package. Like most Mazdas of this era, it uses the brand's excellent 2-litre Skyactiv 4-cylinder engine that delivers both good power and impressive fuel economy. The 6-speed automatic transmission is notably more responsive than the CVTs found in many competitors. One of the CX-3's strongest selling points is its available all-wheel drive system, which provides extra confidence in bad weather without sacrificing too much fuel efficiency. Inside, the cabin feels more premium than you'd expect at this price point, with available features like leather seats, a heads-up display, and Mazda's intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. While rear seat space is somewhat cramped compared to larger SUVs, the CX-3 offers plenty of room for a new driver's typical needs. The combination of SUV styling, Mazda's fun-to-drive character, and excellent reliability makes this a compelling choice for young buyers. Our number 8 selection takes us back to basics with the Toyota Yaris, specifically the models built before 2020 that were actually engineered by Toyota, not the later Mazda 2-based versions. This is about as simple and reliable as transportation gets. The Yaris runs on a bulletproof 1.5-litre 4-cylinder engine that's nearly impossible to kill with proper maintenance. Buyers could choose between a 5-speed manual transmission, great for learning to drive stick, or a 4-speed automatic that, while dated, is incredibly durable. What the Yaris lacks in refinement, it makes up for in sheer dependability and low operating costs. Insurance rates are among the lowest in the industry, Fuel economy is excellent and repair bills are minimal thanks to the car's simple mechanical design. While the interior is decidedly basic with hard plastics throughout, it's easy to clean and maintain. The trunk offers reasonable space for a subcompact and the rear seats fold down when you need to carry larger items. For new drivers who prioritize reliability above all else, the Yaris delivers in spades. At number 7, we have the Honda Fit, which takes everything great about the Yaris and adds more practicality and driving enjoyment. Produced from 2007 through 2020, the Fit showcases Honda's legendary engineering in one of their most clever packages. The Magic Seat system allows the rear seats to fold in multiple configurations, creating an astonishing amount of cargo space for such a small vehicle. The 1.5-litre four-cylinder engine provides peppy acceleration while still delivering excellent fuel economy. What really sets the Fit apart is its surprisingly engaging driving dynamics. The suspension is tuned for comfort, yet still provides decent cornering ability, making it more fun to drive than most economy cars. Visibility is excellent in all directions, which is crucial for new drivers still developing their spatial awareness. Like all Hondas, maintenance costs are reasonable and parts are widely available. The main challenge with the Fit is finding a clean, low-mileage example, since they tend to hold their value exceptionally well. Our number 6 pick is the ever-popular Honda Civic, which offers all the benefits of the Fit in a slightly larger, more refined package. We particularly recommend the 2016 to 2021 models with a naturally aspirated 2-litre engine, though the 2010 to 2013 models with the 5-speed automatic transmission also represent good value. The Civic's reputation for reliability is well earned, with many examples routinely reaching 300,000 miles with proper care. What makes the Civic such a strong choice for new drivers is its perfect balance of affordability, safety and driving enjoyment. The chassis is stable and predictable, the steering is precise and the brakes are strong, all important factors for someone still developing their driving skills. Later models come with Honda Sensing Safety Suite, including collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. With excellent crash test scores across all model years, parents can feel confident putting their teens behind the wheel of a Civic. The number 5 spot goes to the Toyota Corolla, the best-selling car in history, and for very good reason. Like the Civic, the Corolla offers legendary reliability with minimal maintenance requirements. Models from 2017 onward come with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alert, valuable safety features for inexperienced drivers. What sets the Corolla apart is its exceptional resale value and widespread dealer network. No matter where you live, you'll be able to find parts and service for a Corolla. The interior, while not luxurious, is well built and designed to withstand years of use. Fuel economy is excellent across all model years, with later versions approaching 40 miles per gallon on the highway. The only real downside is that because everyone knows how good Corollas are, finding a bargain can be challenging, which brings us to our next pick. Number 4, we have the Scion IM, one of the best used car secrets on the market today. For those who don't remember, Scion was Toyota's youth-oriented brand that produced rebadged Toyotas with slightly different styling. The IM is essentially a Corolla hatchback in disguise, sharing all the same mechanical components and reliability. Because the Scion brand was discontinued in 2016 and never achieved strong name recognition, these cars often sell for significantly less than their Toyota badged equivalents while offering identical quality. Other Scion models worth considering include the XB, a boxy but incredibly practical small wagon, the XD, a subcompact with surprising interior space, and the TC, a sporty coupe with Toyota reliability. All of these models share Toyota's bulletproof engineering, while often being available at substantial discounts compared to mainstream Toyotas. For budget-conscious buyers willing to do some hunting, Scions represent tremendous value. Our number 3 selection is the Mazda 3, which combines near Toyota reliability with more engaging driving dynamics. The 2012 and newer models are particularly recommended, as Mazda had resolved earlier rust issues and introduced their excellent Skyactiv engines and transmissions. These powertrains deliver class-leading fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, making the Mazda 3 one of the most enjoyable economy cars to drive. The Mazda 3's interior also stands out in this price range, with higher quality materials and more sophisticated styling than most competitors. Later models offer available premium features like leather seats, a heads-up display, and a premium Bose audio system. While rear seat room is somewhat tight, the hatchback version provides excellent cargo versatility. For new drivers who want something that's both reliable and fun, the Mazda 3 hits a sweet spot that few other cars can match. Finally, we come to our top two picks, a tie between the Toyota Matrix and its twin, the Pontiac Vibe. These cars are essentially Corolla hatchbacks with different styling, sharing all the same mechanical components and legendary Toyota reliability. Produced from 2003 through 2010, they offer exceptional value on the used market thanks to their practical hatchback design and durable construction. The Vibe is particularly noteworthy because its Pontiac badge often causes it to be overlooked, leading to lower prices despite being mechanically identical to the Matrix. Both cars offer generous cargo space, comfortable seating for 4 adults, and Toyota's famously reliable 1.8-litre 4-cylinder engine. Maintenance costs are low, parts are readily available, and these cars have proven capable of lasting well over 300,000 miles with proper care. For budget-conscious buyers, finding a clean Matrix or Vibe represents one of the smartest used car purchases available today. Before we wrap up, let's briefly address some other models you might see recommended elsewhere. Older vehicles like the Buick LeSabre with the 3.8-litre V6 or Ford's Panther platform cars, Crown Victoria Grand Marquis, do have reputations for reliability, but at this point they're simply too old to recommend as daily drivers for most new drivers. Finding examples that haven't been worn out or rusted through is increasingly difficult, especially in northern climates. While they can be cheap to purchase initially, their age often leads to higher maintenance costs that offset any upfront savings. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the best first cars for new drivers. Whether you prioritize all-weather capability, maximum reliability, or just want the most car for your money, one of these 10 options is sure to meet your needs. Remember to have any used car inspected by a trusted mechanic before purchasing, and don't be afraid to walk away from a deal that doesn't feel right. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these cars do you think makes the best first vehicle? If you've owned any of them, what was your experience like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical car advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here on Auto V Fix.